Are Bitcoin owners going into gold? What's with this gold rally? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. It's Bubba's Daily Update, and always great to be here with you. And of course, as we said, the markets were going to be dead, and they couldn't get much deader. There couldn't be much less action if we had actually planned it out and knew for sure. It's quiet, nobody cares, and that's the way it goes. Bitcoin took it on the head again, going down about 1,200, 1,300 again, and gold rallied. So is the money shifting? I would tend to doubt it. I would think that more likely there's a little bit of profit taking done before the end of the year. Maybe some people are trying to raise a little bit of cash. Maybe someone's actually smart enough to take some of all that big money they made and put it in their pocket. Gold is another story, but the gold is indicating there might be some fear trade going on here. The bonds were down a little bit, but not anywhere near as powerful as they were up yesterday. But the equities were, again, it's hard to get a real great read here because the futures were down, but the actual indexes were kind of up. So there's really not much to talk about in the index space here or the equity space. They're higher. That's really all we can say. They're going to close somewhere near their all-time highs probably. Now, tomorrow there could be, sometimes in the last day of the year there is one last sell-off. We'll see. Again, I don't expect it to be anything worthwhile. All it could be is a sell-off in a thin market, although we do expect, some things to happen for next year. But for now, it's going to be quiet. So let's not get too overexcited. Oil tried to push a little bit higher, and it's going to try to get to that 60 level. The grains were weak, and of course soybeans got clobbered, as we mentioned yesterday. They probably would. We tried to make a run in corn, which is down a little bit. The meats were a little bit higher, but of course hogs once again failed at 72. I would look for a little bit of selling pressure across the board tomorrow. But again, I don't look for anything big, so I'm not looking for some major action. I think what we're really looking for is to just be calm and wait for next year. I don't think there's anything to do that we'd want to get involved in overwhelming tomorrow. So I think that what you do is you sit back and you watch and you look for some opportunities. And if you see some things that you may like it long term, great, no problem. But if you don't need to trade, probably best to turn the machine off and take the day off. So at the end of the day, we're going to just, we're settled, and I assume tomorrow will be very much the same. It has gotten slower every day, and these volumes are pathetic. So let's sit back and relax, not get too excited, let's not get too much going on here. I think that just wait and watch and be ready to go into the new year and enjoy and have everybody have a happy, healthy, prosperous new year. It's been great doing the updates. I hope you're enjoying them. And of course, if you are, pass them on to your friends. Let's get some more going. And in the meantime, don't forget about highschoolinvesting.com. We are going to a new year, and of course, that means more money for me to lay out and keep this program going. But in the meantime, if you want to help out, you can go to patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And also, next year, I will be giving access to you guys to the high school investing site so you can get some basic knowledge as that we would teach to high school kids. Also, don't forget to get the Bubba Show every single day from 2 to 3 Eastern at libertytalk.fm. I have a very special guest tomorrow. The CEO of the first cryptocurrency bank is going to be on the show tomorrow, the Bubba Show. So make sure you check it out. In the meantime, we got football tonight. And tonight we're going to take Washington State after 2-0 last night, Washington State, and we're going to take Stanford. Everybody, happy, healthy New Year. Thanks so much. It's great to be here. We'll see you back here on Tuesday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Thank you so much. We'll see you later.